What's going on, guys? Welcome back to High Plains Track and Tire. My name's Taylor. Today we're just going to have a little quick video here. We're going to try and add a key fob to the old 6-liter. So it didn't come with one when we got it, but we're going to see if we can't program one to it. But let's go hop over into the truck and see if we can get it programmed. Here's a quick look at the truck here. Done quite a bit to it, but yeah, we're going to go jump in and see if we can't get this programmed as soon as I find out what I do with the keys. Oh yeah, somebody short's been driving. I'll back this all the way up. There we go. All right, to be able to program it, so we have to cycle the key on and then off 8 times within like 10 seconds. The door should lock or unlock, I believe. And then we press a button on the key fob here to program it. So let's give it a shot. Well, sounds like it worked. We got the button pressed. You heard it lock after that 8th time. And then we press the button on here. Let's shut this off. Jump out of the truck and see what happens. Oh yeah, sure enough, she's locked now. Unlock. Just like that. I press it twice and it unlocks everything. There we go. Huh. So, just like that, that is how you program one of these key fobs to 2004 F350. I'm sure it works for a couple other years, but yeah, I just ordered these off of Amazon. I'll leave a link for those. They were like $7, and then we got her programmed just like that. Real simple process. I got to redo a couple on the F-150 as well. The batteries died, so I figured I would also try it with this one. But just like that. Thanks for watching, guys.